Hey, Mr. Snuffy. Oh, you want some crazy glue? Like I said, you want crazy glue? No. Why? Because I'm getting replaced. By who? Oh, Farmer Joe. Howdy, partner. Stop calling me partner. What's the matter, partner? You're the one to replace me. No, I won't. Stay tuned May 12th. What's gonna be on May 12th? Nothing. Anyways, what do you want? Well, I just come here to say, you're a biscuit. How dare you call me the B word? Well, you are a biscuit. And you don't deserve to live, Mr. Snuffy. Why would you say that? You know I could beat you up right now. Alright, show me, old man. What? Yes, show me, old man. Let's see what you got. Huh? Oh, what's this? Come on. Stupid thing. I got myself a puppy rod. That means he can move my hand. You guys want to see? Oh, got a layer somewhere. But what doesn't show the actor's face? Don't be embarrassing. I'll show you once and for all. I'll show you who's best. Mr. Snuffy will be replaced by me. Look at that, I can move my arm. Well, I gotta go. Bye, guys. Oh man, what was that? Mr. Snuffy, are you okay? Leave me alone. Mr. Snuffy, you're acting really strange. What's happening? I have no other choice. What? Tell me. Go get the guns.